Hello friends, I am Meghna Parikh and today we are here to start the lecture series of the Mathematics 1. We are start from the homogeneous linear equation of the matrices. First of all, a system of n homogeneous linear equation in an unknown variable is represented by a11x1 plus a12x2 plus a1xn equal to 0 up to am1x1 plus am2x2 plus amnxn equal to 0. In matrix Ax equal to 0, so we say that it is A11, A12 up to A1n, x1, x2, xn as a vector equal to 0. Solution of linear equation for a system of M. Linear equation in an unknown, there are two possibilities of the solution of the system. One, there is an exact one solution. Like x1, x2, x3 equal to 0 is a only one solution. It is called the trivial solution. Second one is system has infinite solution. It is called the non-trivial solution. Remark. The system of equation has non-trivial solution determinant A equal to 0. Now, when the system of linear equation has one or more solution, the system is said to consist. Now matrix AB, we are taking A11, A12 up to A1n 0, A21, A22 up to A2n 0, AM1, AM2 up to AMN 0 is called the argument matrix of the given system of linear equation. To solve this system linear equation, elementary row transformation are used to reduce this matrix to either row echelon form or reduced row echelon form. Reducing this matrix to reduced row echelon form is called Gauss-Jordan method. Reducing this matrix row echelon form is called Gauss elimination method. Now example, solve the following homogeneous system of the linear equation using Gauss-Jordan method. So it is our equation minus 2x1 plus x2 minus x3 equal to 0. x1 plus 2x2 plus 3x3 equal to 0 plus 3x1 plus x3 equal to 0. Solution, the matrix Ax equal to B of the system is minus 2, 1, minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 0, 1, x1, x2, x3, 0, 0, 0. We are converting equation in the matrix formation. So we get this matrix reduced row echelon form. What is a reduced row echelon form? We are create a zero formation in these three entries. Okay. Now we are taking row operation R12. So we get 1, 2, 3, 0. We are replacing the value of R12 because we get entry 1 is easy to solve the matrix. Taking R2 plus 2R1, R3 minus 3R1. See, if we are taking R2 plus 2R1, so what is R2? R2 is minus 2 plus 2 into 1 it is 0. Again 1 plus 2 into 2 is 5. So you get 5. Minus 1 plus 3, plus 2 into 3. It is 6 plus 1, it is 5 and it 0. For the R3, minus 3R1. Okay, what is R3? R3 is 3 minus 3 into R1 is 1. so it is 0. So you get here 0. Second value 0 minus 3 into 2. So we getting minus 6. Third value is 1. 1 minus 3 into 3. So it is 1 minus 9. We getting minus 8. Okay. We are taking 1 by 5 R2. To solve the value of these, we getting 1 1 0 in second row. Now R3 plus 6 R2. So we get 0 in this entry. It is a reduced row echelon form or Gauss elimination method. Now we are taking minus 1 by 2 R3 because we have to convert these entries 1 in 1 formation. So we get 1 2 3 0 0 1 1 0 0 1. Now we have to convert these two entries and this entry in 0. So we use row operation R1 minus 3 R3 and R2 minus R3. So we get 1 2 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. To convert this entry into 0 formation, we taking the row operation R1 minus 2 R2. We get 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So the corresponding system equation is given by x1 equal to 0, x2 equal to 0 and x3 equal to 0. So therefore the system has trivial solution. Now solve the following homogeneous system of linear equation by the Gauss-Jordan method. We are taking equation and converting this equation in matrix formation. Okay, now we are using row operations as reduced row echelon form. R1 4. After replacing R1 4, we are use R2 plus R1 and R4 plus R1. So we getting the entry in this column is 0. Now we have to convert this column in plus 1. So we are multiplying with the minus 1 into R2. Okay. Now we have to convert these two entry in 0 formations. So we use R3 plus R2 and R4 plus 2R2. See, these two value is 0. Now in this case R1 plus 2R2 we are getting 0. So it is a reduced row echelon form. The corresponding system has x1 minus x3 minus 2x4, x2 minus x3 minus 3x4, x1 equal to x3 plus 2x4 and x2 equal to x3 plus 2x4 because it is your x1, x3 and x4. Your x2, x3 and x4. All the values or all the entries of the coefficients are 0. Suppose x3 equal to k and x4 equal to k. So we getting the value of x1 and x2 is k1 formations or k2 formations, where k1 and k2 are constant. The system has infinite solution because it is depend on k1 and k2. So system has non-trivial solution. Some important question to do yourself. Okay. Thank you.